Oh, hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I didn't know you guys were there. I mean, I low-key did, but yeah. Guys, I actually don't eat chips. I just did this for the bureau, to be honest. Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's been a hot minute and I have missed you guys so much. Today's video is actually super fun. We're getting up to a lot of things today. Like, trust me, you don't want to skip. Like, you don't want to skip. But before I jump into that, I would like to answer some frequently asked questions, just because I feel like it's not really nice to just keep on moving without like answering you guys questions, because we're all family, you get. First question people ask me, how old am I? I am 22 years old. What do I study? I'm currently studying economics in EMU. People ask what part of Cyprus. I'm in the north part. You know, Cyprus is divided into two. You have the south and the north. I am currently in the north. If you date back to my boat cruise vlog, a couple people messaged me on Snapchat asking me, like a couple people in Cyprus asking me how much did I pay to go on the boat cruise. It was 300 TL and it was for an hour. So yeah, just that. What else? I think that's it. Okay, let's move to today's agenda. So today we are going horse riding, guys. Thing is, my dad took me horse riding when I was really small. I think like 3, no, not 3, like 6, I'm not really sure. But when we were very little, we used to go to the bar beach. I lived in Lagos for 11 years, in case you didn't know. And I think we went just twice, once or twice, I can't remember. And I haven't gone since then. It's been super duper long. So today I and my friends were going, but the exciting catch is one of you guys is coming with me. We're going horse riding together, and I'm not going to tell you her name and all that kind of stuff because you're going to see her in the vlog later on as we go. But I just want to give you guys a backstory, like how everything happened, because it will be confusing you just seeing a subscriber on my vlog. Like, I like to explain to you guys. So she sent me a message like last month, and I said last month, like I'm trying so hard to be American. Vivian, chill. She sent me a message last month and she said, hey girl, just wanted to tell you I watched your YouTube videos and it changed my perception on Cyprus. Lol. Laughing out loud. I've been here for some time and I've hated every second of it, but watching them made you look better. You're doing great. So when I read that message, I was super duper touched. I'm like, I know Cyprus can be boring, and I just wanted to do something to make her smile, because I feel like I haven't really given back actually. I mean, it's coming. I think about these things, giveaways, you know, like all these things, but currently I'm a student and more than half of my pocket money goes into my vlogs, invest and stuff. Trust me, a lot goes behind the scenes that you guys don't see, but then again, it's something I'm very passionate about, so I like to put in my best to make sure it's good enough for you guys, you know, because I actually do love you guys. So as I was saying, so I replied her, I'm like, oh, thank you, blushing face, appreciate it. You know what, I'm thinking of going horse riding with my friends soon, and if you want, you can join us and be in the vlog too. Just something to make you like Cyprus a bit more, I guess. And then she was like, no way, really, I appreciate it. And like, you know, like we just kept on talking and talking and talking, and I told her I'll let her know. And finally the day is here. I messaged her yesterday telling her, like, giving her all the details and stuff. I'll go and pick her up and then we would all go. I'm really excited to show you the beautiful girl. I'm really excited for the experience, and most importantly, I'm happy I'll be able to take you guys with me. I just want to also use this medium to say thank you to everyone supporting me. I know I haven't really been consistent with my vlogging schedule for the past 2 weeks. I won't really blame it on school, because I've tried filming, but then again, I just feel like I'm having creator's block. I have tried filming beauty videos twice. I didn't like them. I have tried vlogging. I didn't like them. The concept was just really boring and off, but I'm sorting that out. I'm just taking my time and stuff. So yeah, a lot of talking, and if you've made it this far, I love you. You're a true Vivi gang. Good together, good together, good together. Yeah, good together. I'm joking. Let me get ready and I'll check back with you guys, and you know, we're gonna enjoy, okay? Bye. Hey guys, so I'm ready now. I did an intro before, but I changed my outfit, so I thought, okay, let me do another intro. So I'm going out to pick my friends and pick her up, and just link up with everybody, and then we'll be on our way to Iskele. So from Mausa, it's called Mausa, it's not Magusa, I've been saying it all wrong. So from Mausa to Iskele is about 20 minutes. So I would see you guys when we get there. Stay tuned, do not go anywhere. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and join the fam, the Gucci gang. No, not Gucci gang, Fifi gang, not Gucci gang. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. Intro the vlog.
It's not even does it start
Okay.
really?
Yeah.
No.
Take intro it. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back. Yes, good. Then.
It's just you though.
See what I go through?
1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys, welcome back to 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys, welcome back to Vivian K's YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to Vivian K's YouTube channel.
We ride to fly, to feel, to touch, to relax, to love. Here is our horse riding experience. Let's get it.
Things cause isn't love what it's all about, and how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world.
First problem, my helmet. Wow, I'm trying to, can't do this. Big head problems, so I went to ask for help and I got it.
Something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just some.
I'm sure you guys are tired of me talking, but it was such a struggle for Sewano and I to get on the horse. Just watch.
All I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. We don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone.
I was so scared. So now the next thing on our agenda is to feed the horses. Yeah, let's go.
Initially, I wasn't going to do this shoot because I was scared at first, but I'm happy I did it. It was fun. There was one time the horse was like almost like acting up because Vivian decided to fly her drone, but God was watching me, so I'm good. It was nice, it was fun, it was exciting, and shout out to Vivian and Casey for letting me have this experience. Love you. Hi guys, so this experience was fun, was great. It was good, I liked it, I loved it actually. It was scary at first, it was scary to get on it. I mean, I didn't know horse riding was harder. Best experience, well not best but close. And shout out to the vlog that put me on this. I've gone on so many adventures. Shout out to my own YouTube channel, Sawan Kushan.
Why won't they go away? Pictures of you in my head.
Hi guys. It was honestly I didn't know I was going to do it, to be honest, because these things are really big. The horses are really big. But yeah. It was nice, it was fun. Shout out to Piano for this. Yeah, it was big. The girls were amazing also. So. Everyone was amazing. Yeah. And we had snacks also. So, yeah.
Including me.
Oh, including you too.
Shout out to you.
Shout out to you too.
Oh my god.
A name I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone.
Yeah, an idiot. So hi guys, Vivian Okezie here.
As in,
Wanna close my eyes? It feels like I'm falling down. Falling down.
My last vlog just went
Why won't they go away?
Okay, so hi guys, we're now done. I mean, we did an outro, so roll the clip.
that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had so much fun shooting it.
Yes, be sure to do what?
Like, share, subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.